Well, here's a pretty good recipe. It's an Italian jerky. We eat a lot of Italian food because we like it, so I figured I'd come up with a nice jerky, and I think it turned out pretty good. But anyway, again, it's you start with 8 pounds of venison, lean beef, meat of your choice, 2 teaspoons curing salt, 4 tablespoons powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons garlic powder, and again, you can add a little bit or take a little bit of that away, how much garlic you want. Really depends on how much you put in there. 8 tablespoons of salt, and that's the table salt, table grind. 4 tablespoons of oregano powder, 4 tablespoons dried bell pepper flakes, 4 tablespoons of thyme, 2 cups tomato sauce, 2 cups Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup soy sauce, and then 1 cup of water.